Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This is 2005 Toyota Prius, which the owners purchased recently from some city auction, and it has super low miles. I did inspected it in the past for the common stuff. The aux battery, the small one in the trunk, was very bad shape, and it was sitting in the lake of the water, which is that common problem. I replaced the battery. They were driving it for a while, but now apparently some shop, I was on Europe trip for months, so something happened and some shop told them that they need entire hybrid battery. So let's go look how many miles it has and what is really happening in this 2005 Prius. We are inside of the vehicle. Let's grab the key, non-smart key. It doesn't have that silver on it, so it has to be in. Let's step on the brake and start her up. Let's see what really is happening. Aha! So the engine went on immediately. These are our warning lights, and it has only 50,002 miles on the odometer. Here is the monitor, and listen to that. The fan right there is immediately running, despite the fact it was dropped off just 40 minutes ago, so it should be, everything should be cool. There is a warning, and we have a fan running immediately. And one more time, these are the warning lights. I changed the camera settings so you can see it yourself. Here we can see the engine is charging the battery. The battery supposedly it's almost full, but we will need a scanner. We will need to look up what is happening here. The engine keeps continuously running, and this is the situation. So it's an older vehicle, doesn't matter, it has only 50,000 miles. It might be true, we will either confirm it or dispute. It might be in the need of the main hybrid battery. I will never skip basics, so I will always look what is happening here on that aux battery. And I want to confirm there's no water anymore, and that I did a good job dealing with it. So these are remainings of the hubcaps, I guess. Oh yeah, very nice. The water is gone. Let's go ahead and check the voltage on this aux. What we get here, 12.67. That's perfect. Since we are already here, that was the aux battery and its positive cover. But this is the hybrid battery. This is the main disconnect switch, and underneath this cover, this metal is actually protective shield for the hybrid battery, which is right here. And I will never hesitate to put that aux battery, because you guys know it's very small, on the charger, so I can nicely maintain it while I have it here on the shop. This top-down Tornado 4000, it's a really great little unit for charging batteries, and I can highly recommend it to anybody. I brought this launch scanner here. So let's see what kind of magic we can create with this baby. It does that typical wind scan. It's pretty funny. So yeah, it's a diagnostic for Toyota. Start a vehicle detection system. Let's see what kind of codes we have. It's a without smart key. We mentioned that. So it's a North America 2005 Prius. That's correct. Let's go for it. Scanning the data. Let's see what will happen. I switched the setting again for the camera so you can see something actually. Hybrid vehicle battery has a 4 fault codes. Yep, that's definitely a problem. So, what we have here? Oh yeah, this is bad. Current and even pending, which is not defined. But look at it. P0A80 replace hybrid EV battery pack. P3016, P0A80 again, P3016. The engine is totally fine and hybrid control here. P3000 battery control system. What's about this ABS here? Hybrid vehicle system regenerative malfunction, which is C1259, and C1310 hybrid vehicle system malfunction. Hybrid vehicle battery. These are the same codes which we saw already and we mentioned them, so this is very helpful. This little launch scanner, and it basically tells us that P3016 battery block 6 is becoming weak, and that's the current situation. That's why we are having the fan running like a maniac on us. That's definitely a problem. But it's also really good to show that when the engine is not running, the generator is not recharging the battery. Look at that level, it immediately dropped to almost nothing. This energy monitor is also actually very helpful. Some of you might think, okay, what's about if I erase the codes? I will clear those DTCs. Did you hear that? That fan immediately stopped. Because at that second, the vehicle is not aware of any problems. The computer saw that and it immediately stopped. Of course, when we will start running the system, the codes will come back very soon. Right now I have all the lights in the dashboard on. Everything is on because I'm still only in the scanning level, so nothing is happening. The moment the vehicle will start running, it will just take a while. The computers will discover the malfunction again, and the whole process, the codes will be pending and they will be set and then stored in the memory, and the fan will be running again. That will just repeat itself. So if you think you will just clear the codes with a scanner and be done and keep happily driving ever after. Of course, that's not going to happen. It will last only for a short while. And if you think of it, it's pretty amazing that that battery lasted for 18 years. The fact it has such a low mileage, it doesn't help to the battery life. It's probably the opposite. If it had 100,000 miles already, it will probably last it a little bit longer. The fact that it sits a lot and then it's driven for extremely short trips in such a long period of time, it's not very helpful. So I will definitely call dealer. Check availability. You need your VIN number. They will tell you what the batteries, what is available for how much and how quickly they can get it. If you ever want to do it yourself, don't. It can kill you. It's extremely dangerous. Please don't work on the high voltage hybrid system unless you are certified to do so. There's a reason for it. It can instantly kill you if you touch the wrong parts. So don't do that. Leave it for us. We will risk our life working on it. We won't, because I got trained. I have a certification for it. So I will be fine. I will pay attention and use all the precautions which I have to. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend. What happens when you erase the codes, as we mentioned, and put it on? What will be on and what won't be on, huh? So you see it started working right away. Not sure why is there a warning light for the rear heating. But look at it. The battery, which before we were saying was almost full, it was missing 2 bars. It's basically completely empty. I don't hear that fan yet, but that's just a little playing around, right? So let's park it outside. I called the dealer. The hybrid battery with a tax, it's basically $2,200, and there's the core just to get the new battery. So it's plus, right? You have to, when you are ordering and you go pick it up, you have to pay a lot of money just to perform this repair, and after that they refund you for that core. You have to fill up the paperwork on it. That's how it works. So let's park it. You see the engine through the generator is trying to charge the battery. The fan still, you don't hear it. It's not because I'm talking. It still didn't come. No warning light yet. But obviously you know and I know they will come soon. They will come back soon. And it will be triggered again. We didn't fix it. It really needs new hybrid battery. So thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.